Welcome to the Quality Corner. For those of you joining me for the first time, my name is Mark Kearney, the Senior Director of Quality and Regulatory Affairs with Xometry. In today's edition, we'll be covering a key workmanship standard, more specifically chips, burrs, and sharp edges in any metal fabricated products. Today, we'll cover the good and bad of exposed edges in your products and what cosmetic conditions we are looking for in our workmanship standards. The presence of burrs, chips, and sharp edges may affect part functionality and quality expectations of components and also introduce a safety risk, so it is very important to avoid these issues. In our example, we'll start by looking at an unacceptable condition of metal products. In image 1, we show a diameter with loose hanging metal and lots of burrs. This product could result in scratching and marking mating parts during assembly. Sometimes these flaws can make assembly impossible with misalignment, along with safety issues of cutting somebody. Make sure to adjust your tool paths or consider manual processing to ensure all your parts are free of sharp burrs, sharp edges, and metal slivers. Now let's cover an example of an acceptable workmanship standard. In image 2, the entire diameter is free of burrs. Any exposed edges have been broken and are free of burrs, sharp edges, and metal slivers. This is the high quality we are looking for in our workmanship standards. An example of this ensures a quick process for you and a good and safe experience for our customers. Thank you for joining the Quality Corner. I am Mark Kearney.